Welcome to Next Gen Motors, where we explore the boldest, smartest, and most powerful machines hitting the roads. Today we're taking you on a complete tour of a vehicle. That's more than just transportation. It's a home, a command center, and your next adventure partner, the 2026 Ford 4RV Dynamax Isata. This isn't your average RV. The Dynamax Isata 2026 blends the rugged strength of a Ford Super Duty 4R4 with the comfort and class of a luxury hotel on wheels. Built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis, it comes powered by a 7.3L V8 gas engine, delivering solid performance, whether you're climbing mountain trails or cruising down the interstate. Equipped with four-wheel drive, upgraded suspension, and off-road ready tires, the Isata handles all terrains with ease, giving you freedom to travel beyond the campground. It's built for people who don't like limits. Let's talk exterior. The design is clean and commanding, with full-body custom paint, LED headlamps, chrome accents, and a rugged, aerodynamic profile. It's a head-turner whether it's parked at a national park or rolling down the highway. What makes it truly functional is the expandable slide-outs, giving you more space once parked. The power awning, integrated outdoor lighting, and exterior entertainment setup let you turn the outdoors into your lounge. There are also pass-through storage compartments, perfect for outdoor gear, chairs, and tools. Walk around the back and you'll see a rear-view camera, roof-mounted solar panels, and hookups for water, power, and drainage, all smartly hidden and easily accessible. A power entry step and wide door welcome you inside. Now step in, and you'll immediately feel the quality. Inside, the Dynamax Isata offers a luxurious residential-style space. The living lounge includes leather recliners, a convertible sofa, and a large LED TV. Accent lighting along the ceiling and windows creates a cozy, upscale atmosphere. Everything from the furniture to the finishes is built for real comfort on long journeys. On the right, the kitchen is designed like one you'd find in a condo. There's a solid surface countertop, induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, and a residential refrigerator. There's plenty of cabinet space, plus drawers for utensils, pantry items, and cookware. Opposite the kitchen, you'll find the dining area with a booth-style table that doubles as a sleeper. Large windows provide great views and natural light, making every meal feel like a scenic event. Move further back and you reach the master bedroom, a private retreat featuring a queen-size bed, overhead storage, wardrobe closet, and optional second TV. The space is smartly laid out, with nightstands and reading lights, making it ideal for winding down after a long drive. The bathroom is compact yet comfortable, with a glass door shower, modern vanity with sink and mirror, and a flushing toilet. There's plenty of room to move around and store essentials. A skylight brings in natural brightness, while a roof vent ensures airflow. But what truly makes this RV shine is its technology. The Isata features a smart control panel to manage lighting, temperature, slide-outs, and more, all via touchscreen or your smartphone. Built-in Wi-Fi booster, satellite TV prep, and multiple USB ports keep you connected wherever you are. On the safety side, you get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring, and blind spot detection. It's peace of mind, especially when driving something this size. So why choose the Dynamax Isata? Because it gives you freedom without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're taking a cross-country road trip, camping in the mountains, or just escaping the city for the weekend, this RV adapts to your lifestyle. It's not just about where you go, it's how you live while getting there. The 2026 Ford 4X4RV Dynamax Isata is an experience on wheels, crafted for those who crave the open road with a touch of luxury. If you enjoyed this full walkthrough of the 2026 Dynamax Isata, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Next Gen Motors for more in-depth reviews, vehicle tours, and auto insights. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this RV full-time? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, wherever the road takes you, take it in style.